Hi y'all, I wanted to introduce you real quick to my powder coating setup. Here it is. So I've got it kind of all contained on this tower shelf here. At the very bottom, I have my air compressor, which hooks up to the powder coating gun. I also have my shop vac there on the ground. And then the nozzle runs up into the powder coating booth that I made. The second shelf has all of my extra powders. There is a little hook on the front that holds my powder coating gun. There is, let's see, there is a little hook on the back here that holds the trigger for my powder coating gun. Here's the little rod where my alligator clip for the gun attaches. And then on here, I have my power strip. And this yardstick is actually to help me open the vent up top. So I have this little toaster oven that I use for powder coating. And then this vents up through the attic. And right up here is the little door that opens the vent. So what I like about this toaster oven, in addition to the fact that it fits on the shelf, is that you have the ability to put the rack up high as it will go, and then you can hang longer pieces down in this space. So I think it gives about 5 inches of vertical space, which I find really helpful, especially when I'm trying to do larger pieces. And also I can put this tray way down at the bottom when I have something that's taller that needs to sit on the tray. So just a real quick look at this DIY powder coating booth. I cut a hole out of the front. I drilled holes, and I drilled a set of 3 holes, so if I wanted, I could adjust the height of this steel rod, which is what my work will hang off of. I also have a hole on the side that is drilled for my shop vac hose, and that's pretty much it. I generally, because I do a lot of hollow forms and I'm spraying down into the interior, I'll kind of have the lid ajar a little bit so that if I need to, I can lift up and kind of spray with a downward angle at the pieces. And then this is the powder coating gun. Yep, it's pretty much self-explanatory, I suppose. So that's kind of the quick and dirty on the way that I've found it best to set up for my shop space. It's kind of all contained in this one area to kind of keep the mess down as much as possible and have everything right where I need it. So thanks so much.